Summer's coming out swinging at Computex this year with some pretty sleek cases. Let's go check them out. Here we have Summer's premium case here at Computex. Not quite released yet, however, they're looking for feedback, guys. So this is called the V80. It is a fully curved glass design, that panoramic view that everyone loves. However, the glass actually goes around to the rear as well. So you are sacrificing some fan slots, but you are gaining in aesthetics. Here we have a bit of a stage down here with some nice subtle lighting. So if you want to put a figurine or anything standing on top of there, you can change the lighting and have it standing inside the build. That would suit different themes, so depending on what you're after with this system. It does come in black as well. Now you can see we've got a fan on top of the power supply shroud, a fan at the top here, and then you can fit your 360mm AIO or radiator up the top here. And then if we move over to the motherboard tray, you can see that we actually have support for back connect motherboards. So we've got our power, our reset, headphone jack. We've also got two USB type A's, got our USB type C and 60 watts fast charge USB type C. So at the back here, you can see we've got our included hard drive and SSD mounting cage if you want to put two of those in there. It also comes with a fan and RGB hub, so you can fit plenty of fans inside of this, although considering that the case doesn't have a lot of fans itself, you probably won't use up all the ports, but you can see we've got plenty of cable management room, lots of cable tie down points as well. And then down here you can see that we've got where the power supply will slip in and all of the cables would come out. The case also has this nice subtle underglow, so you can actually match that with the lighting of your fans or of the circle where you got the figurine standing. I really like this. I think more cases should implement some nice underglow. I think it just really adds to the aesthetics of the overall design of the case. This is also another version of their V80 case. This version, however, the glass wraps around here and that kind of stops at this back panel here, so they've included support for 3 extra fans at the rear because they were worried about how the airflow would be with the first version. So this one now also includes an air duct guide that ramps the air straight up and into the GPU. So they're helping to force that air straight in there to keep it nice and cool. As well as that, you can still fit your 360mm radiator on the top, but that air duct guide sacrifices that little stage part that we saw in the first system. It just provides more cooling. So this one would be a better performing case than the last one. However, if you're after aesthetics, like the aesthetics in the last case, then that is always an option. Again, this one does include the fast charging, the 60 watt fast charging USB type C down the bottom, as well as your normal USB type C, your 2 USB type A's, your headphone jack, your reset and power button. And much like the other version, this does come in black and white. This is Summer's brand new AIO, the Q80. It features a LED screen on the inside there. You could get it as a 6-inch, but it also includes this 4-inch screen with it. So if you want to swap it out, you could do that. It is a 480 by 480, and this one is a 960 by 480, and you can control it with their software to display different temperatures, play GIFs and video. Now it's only a magnetized design this, and it'll just clip on and work right away. As you can see, magnetize, put it in place, it starts working. And for the radiator itself, we actually have thicker fins on the inside. So usually the fin stack will be about 17mm thick in a traditional radiator. These are actually 20mm thick. So you're actually getting more cooling surface area with this particular radiator than you would with a standard 360mm radiator. The fans themselves are also 28mm thick. So you've got a little extra thickness there. And they've also got this really nice, I love it, this infinity mirror design on the outside of the fans. It kind of looks like it goes on forever, which is really cool. I love that design with fans. This case is the V70. It's kind of like the little brother of the V80. We still have the tempered glass curved design, so you're getting that panoramic view that we're after. This one also comes with 5 pre-installed ARGB fans. Now I said this with my previous S50 build. I was worried about how the fan would go at the rear there, having the power supply right above it and then all of the cables coming down. But if you're rounding your cables nicely and you're cable tying them in the right places, then there shouldn't be an issue interfering with the fan blades there. Down the bottom, with the 3 fans pre-installed, you could fit a 360mm radiator down there. And then if we move up to the top, you would also be able to fit a 360mm radiator up the top there. And we previously demonstrated that with our S50 build. This has a similar style layout to the S50. And then if we look at the motherboard tray, you can see that we can fit our back connect motherboards inside of there, or your standard ATX size motherboards. Looking into the rear, this is what I was saying about the fan. So you have to cable manage your cables in a good way to avoid the blades. See, this PCIe connection's coming up a little bit, but it's not too bad. We'll just help them out a bit. We'll plug that down in there. But you can see, look, there's plenty of space here for cables, plenty of cable tie-down points and Velcro straps to keep them away from that fan. And then, of course, we've got our hard drive and SSD mounting cage here, where I think it was 4 SSDs and 3 hard drives from memory that you could fit onto this mounting tray. And of course, the power supply is now located up the top left instead of the bottom right, like usual traditional layouts. And included with this case, we also have the 60-watt fast charging USB Type-C, 2 USB Type-A, another USB Type-C, headphone jack, our power and reset. This is the V62. Again, we've got that nice curved tempered glass design that wraps around the back. A lot of cases these days have that panoramic design. It seems to be what the market is after at the moment, but this one also comes pre-installed with 7 ARGB fans with the infinity mirror design. I think that's pretty incredible for what you get with this case. Does come in black and white. You can fit a 360mm radiator down the bottom and a 360mm radiator up the top. Now, the difference between this case and the last case is they've actually shifted the power supply back down to behind the motherboard tray instead of the top left-hand corner. And so we have more of a traditional layout where you can still use the back connect motherboards. That's why they haven't actually put it right down the bottom of the case, but rather shifted it up behind the motherboard where the back connections are not located. So by having this here, it still allows for the back connections to fit through, whereas if this power supply was right down the bottom, the back connect motherboards wouldn't be supported in this case because the back connects would actually hit the back of the power supply. So the difference in layout actually works out well because now we can actually put our hard drives and SSDs down the bottom and still not make contact with those back connect sections. And we've got all of that extra room for all your cables that route around here and plenty of room to hide them behind this tray as well. Plus, we also have an included fan and RGB hub located down the bottom there, which is kind of hidden by this plate as well. But yeah, there's plenty of room at this rear. This is the V52. This can support up to 10 fans, but comes with 7 pre-installed. We also have vertical GPU mounting, so the bracket at the back there can be rotated 90 degrees to support that. It's got a similar layout to our last case in terms of the motherboard shroud being able to support back connect motherboards, the power supply being relocated. Similar design specs at the rear here. However, instead of having that curved glass design at the side, you can see that it meets at a nice 90-degree angle for those who like the more boxy look, but still want that panoramic view to view inside the case. This is their Q40 AIO. So you see, we still have a temperature display screen where you can display your GIFs or whatever you like, but now they've got these little cool designs, kind of like Beyblades it reminds me of. Remember Beyblades from back in the day as a kid? Yeah, we could spin this and have battles, but now you could do it with 2 AIO coolers put side by side. No, but they come with these different designs that you can clip on and they simply rotate. Just gives it another unique design. But again, it comes with this radiator and these fans. So you get the 3 infinity mirror design fans. They are 28mm thick and the radiator fins themselves are 20mm thick instead of the traditional 17mm that you find on the market, which means that it provides more cooling surface area. So you're actually getting better cooling in the same footprint.